Hey everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we're bringing deep, powerful bass to slim spaces with our picks for the best shallow mount subwoofers. Compact subwoofers engineered to deliver rich low end without needing a deep box or trunk space. Whether you're limited on room under your seat, in a tight rear deck, or building a custom install, these shallow subs deliver punchy, clean bass and solid performance in a space-saving design. In this video, we break down the top shallow mount subwoofers based on mounting depth, bass impact, power handling, build quality, and overall value. Links to all the featured subs are in the description below. Now let's dive in and find the perfect shallow sub for your ride. Number 5. Pioneer TSA2500LS4 Shallow Subwoofer. The Pioneer TSA2500LS4 is a standout shallow subwoofer that balances deep bass performance with a compact profile, making it great for cars with limited install space. Designed for tight enclosures, it handles solid power and delivers tight, controlled, low frequencies that significantly enhance your audio system without overwhelming the cabin. Its design is optimized to fit where a traditional sub won't, and Pioneer's engineering ensures clear, punchy bass that works with a range of music styles. If you want substantial bass gain without sacrificing space, this Pioneer shallow sub is a reliable pick. Number 4. Rockford Fosgate Punch P3SD412. The Rockford Fosgate Punch P3SD412 brings serious power and performance to the shallow mount subwoofer category. Despite its slim depth, it produces deep, impactful bass thanks to a robust motor structure and quality cone materials that push low frequencies with authority. This sub is a popular choice among installers who want big sound in tight spaces, ideal for trucks, SUVs, or cars with limited trunk or underseat room. With good power handling and clean output, it's a capable performer for those who want punchy bass without a bulky enclosure. Number 3. JL Audio 10T W3D4 Shallow Subwoofer. The JL Audio 10TW3D4 is a high-end shallow mount subwoofer known for exceptional audio quality and compact depth. Designed to fit in very shallow enclosures, its innovative motor and suspension design allow it to deliver deep, precise bass while staying far slimmer than traditional subwoofers. Its dual voice coils give you flexible amp matching options, and its robust construction holds up under demanding use. If you want premium bass performance and clean output with minimal space requirements, this JL Audio sub is hard to beat. Number 2. Kenwood Excelon KFCXW800F Shallow Subwoofer. The Kenwood Excelon KFCXW800F is a well-rounded shallow mount option that delivers accurate, distortion-free bass in a compact design. Built for clean sound rather than just brute power, this sub lets music breathe with tight lows that support a wide range of genres. Its shallow mounting depth fits smaller boxes and tight spaces, perfect for vehicles where a deeper sub would simply not fit. Kenwood's quality materials and design ethos make this a great choice for daily drivers looking to boost low-end performance without the hassle of big sub-boxes. Number 1. JL Audio 13TW5V24 Ultra Shallow Subwoofer. Topping our list is the JL Audio 13TW5V24, an ultra-shallow, high-performance subwoofer that delivers truly impressive bass for its size. With a mounting depth of just around 2 5/8 inches, it's one of the shallowest subs available, while still handling serious power and delivering deep, rich low end. Its advanced engineering lets it achieve strong excursion and clean sound, even in tight sealed boxes, making it perfect for custom installations, under seats, or in specialized slim enclosures. When you want the biggest bass with the smallest footprint, this JL Audio sub sets the bar. So that is our list of the best shallow mount subwoofers this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe to stay updated on our latest audio gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.